Everyone, welcome to a new week of tasks. This first one is the engage section for rotation, orbits, and seasons. So we've talked quite a bit about this in the planetarium when we went downstairs and went into the big dome. So hopefully that will come back to our memories for those of us who were there. So what you do on this first one, same as always, there's a directions video that you're watching now, but I'm going to go through this. So you're going to click on the link here, and you're going to want to take notes as you do this. So you can do that a few different ways, right? You could do that on paper, or you can do it in here where you like highlight or click and add a note. Also, remember you can change the language. A is a little more difficult, B is easier. You can put it in Spanish. You can also click on blue words and they bring up a glossary. So you're going to read through this. There's a video on seasons, some more reading, and then there are 3 video segments totaling maybe, what is that, like 8 minutes of watching. And then the what do you already know section. So I just want to reiterate that this is kind of like a pre-test. So just do your best with what you know right now. You don't need to go searching around for these answers. We will learn all these things during this unit. So seasonal differences, you are going to place these into boxes higher in the summer or higher in the winter. Okay, and submit. And then rotation and revolution, 2 words that sound really similar, but they are different. So you're going to put rotation or revolution in each one of these boxes to identify which one's which. And then what way is the Earth tilting? So you can select the objects, okay? Or deselect there, all right? So this diagram has North Pole you can select. You can select right here. You can select right on this line and then South Pole. Okay, so the question is, which part of the Earth is always tilted toward the sun when it's summer in the region marked with a star? All right, so which part of Earth is always tilted toward the sun when it's summer here? So like here we are in Minnesota, this is north. So which part of the Earth is always pointed toward the sun? Is it the South Pole, the equator, the North Pole, or the star? And then your ideas here, this is just kind of like a brainstorm. Why does the angle at which the sun's rays hit the Earth change during the year? And how does this cause the seasons to differ in temperature and day length? Don't worry about like fully answering this. This is just to get your ideas right now, kind of like a pretest. So once you submit all that, then you're done with this one. All right, let me know if you have questions. I'll talk to you.